can see your name, your username, your bio, add link. Then can see now that personal settings. Hello everyone, my name is Samuel and welcome to H-QTV. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use Instagram for the beginner guide. So what I'm going to do is after you have go ahead to create your Instagram account, then you are going to click on that one that you have created. So you can see this is the account that we just created. So for you to first started with your account, with this your new Instagram account, then you are going to click on edit profile. Not now. You can see your name, your username, your bio, add link. Then you can see now that personal settings. You can see now that this how you can just change it. You can see this payment, account, password and settings. This profile YouTube 13222024, sharing across profiles, log in with account. So this how you can set your, you can see password and security. So let's go. You can see this way you can edit your name. If you click here, you are going to edit your name. You can see pronouns about, you can add a bio now. That is like you can add anything about yourself. Then you can see add link, can see add external link, add Facebook profile. You can see now that I don't want to add this one. You can see then I'm just going to add external link. You can see URL and title. You can see then I'm just going to go back. You can see, so you can see show thread back. This way you can see gender. Can see, then you are just going to select the one that is say. You can see gender. Then you can see personal information settings, switch to professional mode. You can see now you want to switch to professional mode. You can see get professional tools, learn about your followers, reach more people, get new content options. And see then what best describes you. Then this area are just going to start it. Can see if you are in, maybe let's come to this place, an artist, you are going to select it. If you are in education, if you are an editor, if you are in a restaurant, if you are in photographer, if you are in shopping and retail, if you are in video editor, video creator, you are just going to select the category that you follow to. So that is that, and you are going to continue like that. So I'm just setting my new Instagram accounts. Can see then can followers, and this your post. So if you want to post anything on Facebook, can see now I'm just going to come here. I'm just going to click on this plus icon as the bottom below. You can see then you can see post.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Can see post.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Can see post.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Can see stories, can see reels, can see live, can see notes, can see all these all words. Can see you want to create story, you are going to click on that. If you want to create a note, can create a note here, can go live here. Can see that's everything that you can do on this. Then can see now can share your profile. You can see you're just going to copy that link. Then you can see this content, this like a content option. And see this even like you want to complete your profile 2 or 4. Can see add profile photo. I have completed that. Find people to follow. Can see I've completed that. I'm following 7 people. Can see now add bio, add your name. Can see it can just add your name. So if you click here also it's still the same thing. This plus sign at the top. Can see create a reel, post story, highlight live made for you. Can see and create all of that. Then can come to this place and you can see this a lot of people that you can follow, a lot of film that. Then if you come to this search button, you can search for anything you love. You can see a lot of trending reels of video that is trending your location. So you are just going to go by, if you want to follow a people here, you are just going to here. can see, then search for you, maybe people in your environment. You want to type something, I'm just going to click on here, and you are just going to click on the people that you know that you want to search for. I'm just going to, can see this is a menu icon. This is like a, can see favorite, close friend, order, then thread, your activity, archive, QR code save. Then I'm going to click on settings and privacy. You can see account center now in OK. Can see account center, password, security, personal details. I have explained that, so I'm just going to explain. You can see this, I have explained that account. So sharing your across profile, login with account, profiles, password and security, personal details, your information and permission, add preferences, payment, review the account that you have in this account center. That's all about accounts. So just going to can see time spent, notification. So I can see account privacy. You can see you can put it in private. You want to put it in private, you can put it in public. Can see that's all what you can do. If you just created a new account, can see restriction. Okay, restricted, can see restricted accounts continue. Won't tell you if you restrict them. You want to restrict any other accounts. So follow and active, invite friends. Can say invite friends by email, invite friend via Sims, invite friend via, maybe you want to share it to maybe to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Then you can see accounts type and tools. You can see switch to professional accounts. Then you are going to click on that. You can see, then add new professional account. You want to add, you can add a new professional account by this. Can see get a free professional account. Can see by that. Branded content request verification. Can see if you want to request verification now, you can see, then you can request that in this place. Can see now, then you can see confirm authenticity. Can see verification account add blue tick next to their name. Can see celebrity and brand they represent. Can see, I'm just going to click on back, sign up for meta verified, but I think this request verification, I think is free, while sign up for meta verified is paid. You have to pay before you can use it. Then this account status, can see now, then this remove content features you can't use. Can see now, that's all about that. Then can see help, you can see report a problem, account status, meta verified, help center, privacy and security help support request. You can just go over to this place and you are going to see what you can use. So this all about this one. And okay, let me click on a disk profile. I think there's a place where you can add a page. Okay, if you have, let me tell you this, if you are in professional mode, you can just link this one to your Facebook page. That is in professional mode, can link me to your Facebook page. So that's all what you can do on this app. You can see now, this all what you can do. And if you haven't know how to create an Instagram account, I've created that video. The end screen is popping out now, so you can go right now and create your Instagram account. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to somewhere where my quality tech video. See you in my others video. Peace.